What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. Today you can see that I'm not mechanically dressed, and that's because we are going to install the new interior, and I hope it's not going to be a dirty job. I hope it's just plug and play and we go. So we're going to start with removing the battery connections so we don't mess up any airbags or stuff like that, because this car has a lot of airbags everywhere. It's a lot of safety in this car, which is good. So we're gonna remove the battery connections, then remove the old interior, clean out the carpet since we have everything gone, then install the new one, and then clean off the new one. So we're just gonna do some interior cleaner and then some leather care to the chair, so we get really nice fresh new seats. So we take a look around first. So here is the standard ones, and you can see that the seam right here is cracked. This is a super common problem. I got to know when I talked to the Saab experts. Shout out to Mannes Bilservice. So it's gonna be a real good lift to get the leather seats in, and also the adjustability, because to adjust the back of the seat you just pull this one here and it just flies up, and I think that it's so unpremium, so I don't know what to say really. But the door sides already has this type of leather imitation, and also the rest for the arm in the middle. So I have not removed any interior pieces in a 9.5 NG before, but in other Saabs. And I think this only sits with two Torx bolt in the back, and then it's hooked up to the floor in the front. So it should be real easy to remove it. And the back seat, I don't know really how it sits, but I think you take out these parts right here and then go with the rest, so we will see. And I need to do this job right now because I have 14-day guarantee on the seats. So if there is some things that don't work, I could claim that. And I also need the space in the garage, because now it's just piling up stuff everywhere. The rims, the seats, and I got the front bumper over there, so I need to get things going. So now the seats are in, and it made a huge difference in the appearance. Looks like very much more luxurious right now. Definitely an upgrade. So now we're gonna reconnect the battery and hope these chairs move, because no bolts are in them. They just hook up to the floor in the front and just sit with two like T40 screws in the back. So it's really easy, and they are now connected, so hopefully they will move.
Error has occurred.
So the electricity in the driver's seat did not work, and since I have two left-hand seats, and I know that the one that I had from the beginning works, it's not much electrical adjustments on this, but the control unit is the same. So the part number and everything is the same on both the seats. So I'm just gonna replace that, and hopefully that fixed the problem. The connector is really beaten up, so I will try to change the control unit first and see if that works. If not, then I'm gonna use this connector and move it to this seat if it's the connector that's broken in some way. So I just changed the control unit, and look at this. This has probably not worked in a while, because it just sounds like it running over some like rocks and dust and shit. It just cracks when it moves. But success! Now we have all the seats moving, and you don't have to marry them in with a Tech 2 or anything like that. Just throw them in, connect them, and you should be good to go. So now we're just going to tighten this down and reinstall the belt. Then we're going to do some cleaning up with the interior and give it some real leather love that it really needs right now. So I think this is going to be really nice. Such a good upgrade. So this is the products that we are going to use. A fabric and interior cleaner from Bollnäs Bilvård. It's a Swedish company. I bet you have pretty equal stuff all around the world, like a fabric interior cleaner. Whatever will work, or use some just super mild soap for the leather is good. And I'm gonna use this Chemical Guys leather conditioner, and this is pretty amazing because it protects and restores the leather. It's dry to the touch and it gives that satin look, so it's not that slick, like really greasy look that you don't want on leather seats. Not me. And the scent on this is leather scent, so the car will smell like brand new from factory, which is really awesome. And we're also gonna change floor mats to this OEM, which also adds up to that a little bit more luxurious feel of the car compared to these rubber floor mats. So that's it for this episode, guys. I think the interior came out super sweet. What an upgrade. Looks so much luxurious right now and just adds up the value on the whole car. That's definitely a game changer and feels awesome to drive it now. So after the interior we will be on some lookout for a touch display and add some sound, because the audio in this car is not the best. It could be a lot better. So I'm looking for some bass and some stuff, but that's coming in the future. That's not a priority right now. The wheels are coming up really soon. We're also gonna start working on the front bumper because I want to make this look the way I want it. So in the next episode we probably will be start to work on the front bumper, I think. So stay tuned to the channel, and to do that you need to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so you get notifications on all the new videos that I'm releasing, And follow me on Instagram. The link will be down below in the description. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!